Hey, just a couple of updates on this part. So this top is good, no problem. Photos, good, no problem. All the services, all good. Um, let's see. Yes, regarding the photos for the communities, you're right, they were not there. They're all for the banner, so we will just use the photos that are on the current website. Neighborhoods, view all. Not sure, should this be maybe in his red or we should keep it black? No problem. Let's do it that way. Or maybe this background could be in that red. I don't know. You can try. Feature listings, all good, even though I have to explain that we are just on the test phase. That's why it's Toronto. Lenscock, this is it. No changes needed, I believe. Now, regarding this section, could we try and in this place, can we stick this 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 photo as whole? So it's like a little contact form, but with the text and contact information, and place it in here. So we can just remove everything here. If you need to increase a little bit this, it will be great because he sent me this and we didn't use it. Also, instead of here of this logo, can we use his signature, which is like this? I already attached, so we can have this here, and maybe this height can be smaller so that signature can blend right here. And if you want, you can go with the all red for this part, or we can keep it gray but having that there, or completely white, not sure. You see what's the best. So basically those are the two changes for now. So signature should be instead of logo, and instead of this contact me, we should add that photo there. Please let me know if we can do that. Thanks.